Hey, welcome back to WeePakistan YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make AI images using Flux. It's super fast and even supports bulk image creation without any limits, so let's get started. You will need to log in on this site. I will quickly log in using Google. After you log in, they have many tools, but we will click on the image tool. You can change the model from here, then add a prompt. You can even add multiple prompts, one per line. I have bought some credits. We will use the Flux model. You get 10 free credits on sign up. You can even select the number of images per prompt. You can also select a size, and that's it. Click on Generate Now, and in a few seconds, the images are ready.